Kahit walang pera ngayong Pasko, hindi problema ang pagregalo. Your friends and family will surely appreciate these homemade goodies.
It's just 13 days before Christmas. Sa bahay, nakaset na rin ang Christmas tree at si Santa. Pero, wala pa akong mga regalo.
Where are the gifts?
Because I'm having a hard time thinking what Christmas gifts to give my loved ones, I set out to discover some unique gift ideas. Para hindi lang maging masaya, kundi masarap din ang Pasko, why not try giving away sweets?
Yan, dito ko na. Sarap.
Pero, hindi lang to ordinary chocolate bars.
Yung wrapper niya, pwedeng personalized. Pagaya nito, Season's Greeting. Dito, Baby Kimmy. Ito, Hershey's. So, kahit anong gusto mong, sulat dito, pwede.
These customized chocolates are sure to be a sweet surprise for friends and family this Christmas. Tita Farah, owner of OA Sweets, ang mismong gumagawa ng chocolate bar.
So, pagkatapos na natin yung melting chocolate, pwede na natin ilagay yung chocolate dun sa pinaka-moldy. So, tapos, patitigasin na natin siya afterwards.
Aside from the special chocolate recipe, special din ang wrapper.
So, natapos na natin i-mold at saka i-wrap ng foil. So, pwede na natin siyang lagyan ng personalized wrapper.
Together with an artist, nagpapadesign si Tita Farah ng mga wrappers base sa gusto ng client. At saka niya ito piniprint. At meron na tayong personalized chocolate bar. Bukod sa chocolate, pwede rin i-personalize ang storybooks, tulad ng ginagawa ng Clio personalized publication.
What we basically do is come up with customized or personalized storybooks that allows people to either tell their story or to share gifts to their loved ones. Now, that comes from the heart naman.
So, alamin natin ang mga secrets in making these storybooks. So, paano po ba ito ginagawa?
Very simple lang to actually, Eugene. First of all, syempre, kailangan mo ng computer, okay? And then, have to have several pictures. 12 of your favorite pictures.
Using a special software, ina-edit ni Tita Rebby ang mga pictures. At inilalagay sa mga colorful templates.
Ang maganda dito is, you choose a template na bagay doon sa picture or doon sa personality ng tao na pagbibigyan mo.
Siyempre, lalagyan ng captions ng pictures o kaya gagawa ng unique na kwento.
Ang simple lang pala ng paggawa ng storybook. Kung ako kaya gagawa ng storybook, ano kayang bagay sa akin?
Habang iniisip ko ito, busy na pala si Ate Rebby sa paggawa ng customized storybook for me.
The Rockstar concept is a good idea. Actually, meron na ako nagawang storybook for you. Yeah, this is my present for you this Christmas.
Wow! Ganda mo.
So I created a story based on your pictures. And then, based on your personality, feeling ko talaga that this theme is perfect for you. Kasi parang rockstar yung image mo. Tignan nyo, mukha kong tunay na rockstar. So, ito yung daddy ko, si Santa.
The storybook is not just a unique Christmas gift. It's also a great way to keep memories. These two personalized gifts are great for Christmas. But if you have a tight budget, You can also customize greeting cards. All you need are bond paper, watercolor, and wax crayon.
So all you need to do is fold the bond paper in half, then draw using the wax crayon. So gumagamit ako ng kakaibang style. Inuuna ko yung white kasi sabihin na watercolor.
Dahil gawa sa wax ang crayon, hindi ito nabubura, maski patungan ng watercolor. Kahit anong design, pwede. Just use your imagination.
Ayan, so ito na yung personalized greeting card ko.
There are many ways to make our gift special for our special loved ones. But the best gifts always come from the heart.
Yan, ang dami ko ng gifts na i-wrap for Christmas. I hope today you've picked up something new with me, Eugene, here on Kids on Cue.
I felt the Christmas cheer all warm and fuzzy with that story. Salamat, Super Quad.